Good morning, my students of class 5th standard. Today we are going to learn value education subject. And you know that soon school will be start and we again enjoy our school life. During the lockdown period, we have been missed so many activities in our school. We have been also missed our birthday celebrations. And when we celebrate our birthday, we give gifts to our friends, our classmates, and when their birthday, they give us gifts back. So, same thing in our life, what we give to people that we get back. And today we'll learn same thing in our lesson number 11 of value education of pound of butter. Be fair and just. Road ahead, we get back in life. What we give to others. Whenever you take an action, ask yourself whether you are doing the right thing or are you fair and just in your dealings with others. If the answer is yes, go on, but if the answer is no, then stop. Check and review your actions. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who sold a pound of butter to the baker. One day, the baker decided to weigh the butter to see if he was getting a pound or not. On weighing the butter, he found that he was getting less than a pound every day. This angered him and he took the farmer to the court. The judge asked the farmer if he was using any measure. The farmer replied, "Your Honor, I am an uneducated village man. I don't have a proper measure, but I have a scale." The judge asked, "Then how do you weigh the butter?" The farmer replied, "Your Honor, long before the baker started buying butter from me, I have been buying a pound of loaf of bread from him. Every day when the baker brings the bread, I put it on the scale and give him the same way in butter. If anyone is to be blamed, it is the baker." The baker felt ashamed. The baker felt ashamed for his deeds. He realized he should have been fair and just in his dealings with the farmer. If he had been fair, he would have received fairness in return. Now, reflection of this story here. What you give out in this world comes back to you in some ways. If you are kind and generous to others, you will receive kindness and generosity in return. Similarly, when you are fair and just in your dealings with others, God is fair to you. When you are just with others, people will respect you and you will receive justice in return. There are two hard words are given, making it simple. Pound, a unit of weight, and baker, a person whose trade is making and selling breads and cakes. And there is fill in the blanks are there. Unscramble the word and complete the sentences that you can do very well better. The farmer sold a pound of. You have to unscramble the word. You do yourself this. You will get practice to do this activity. So I am not suggesting you. You try first, then any difficulty you can ask me. Okay, bye, see you, have a nice day.